Hello, brilliant minds! Today I've got a real treat for you, the Lomi Composter. This isn't just an appliance, it's a revolution in home composting with its sleek design and advanced technology. Imagine this: turning your food scraps into nutrient-rich soil in just a few weeks. But why should you care about composting, you may ask? Well, composting is a splendid way to recycle kitchen scraps, turning them into a rich, fertile soil amendment that your plants will love. The Lomi Composter makes this process a breeze. It reduces the amount of waste going into landfills, which is a major win for our planet. Plus, it gives you a fantastic way to naturally enrich your garden. So, in essence, with the Lomi Composter, you're not just cutting down on waste, you are actually creating something incredibly useful. Now, you must be thinking, sounds great, but it must be complicated, right? Well, guess again. The Lomi Composter is designed with simplicity in mind. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Toss in your food scraps. 2, give it a quick mix. And 3, let nature take over. The advanced composting technology of Lomi does all the hard work for you. It breaks down your scraps into nutrient-rich soil in just a few weeks. No to worry about ratios, turning, or odors. It's composting made easy, taking the guesswork out of being green. Easy as pie, wouldn't you agree? And the best part is, nature does all the hard work for you. So what are you waiting for? Make composting a breeze with the Lomi Composter. Place your orders now and contribute to a greener future. So, are you ready to step up your sustainability game and make a real difference? Let's embrace the composting revolution with the Lomi Composter. This isn't just about reducing waste or nurturing your garden, it's about taking a stand for our planet. It's about choosing to make an impact, one compost pile at a time. So why wait? Click the link below to get your own Lomi Composter today and start your journey towards a greener, more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, the change starts with you. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take the composting pledge and join the revolution. Get your Lomi Composter today and make a difference, one compost pile at a time. The planet needs us, and this is your chance to step up and make an impact. Don't just watch the world change, be a part of that change. Start your journey towards a greener, more sustainable lifestyle with the Lomi Composter today. Remember, the change starts with you. So let's make it happen together.